How to sign in to your booking.com account. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to sign in to your booking.com account. So let's get started. First of all, open any preferred web browser. Now in search address bar, type down www.booking.com and navigate to the booking.com official website. Now once in there, tap on the sign in button available at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll be navigated to enter your credentials in your sign-in page. Now, here all you have to do is, if you want to continue with your Google account, Apple or Facebook, then simply tap on any of them. My account is linked with Google, so I'm tapping on the Google option available there and continuing it. Now, I'll be logged in easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.